Greetings from me to you, everybody. This is how we crochet a banana. So we first make a banana, the inside one. You start by stitching 6 in the round rope. After crocheting 6, then you just go up. The first round you don't add anything. The second round you add 2, so that you can have a whole round like this. Oh my goodness, it's white, you can't see, but it's a round hole like that. Yeah. And then after making the round hole, I actually made some carrots as well. I've also made some tomatoes. I also made the tangerine. Then I've made paprika. My paprika looks like very big, but that's how it looks. Yeah, paprika. So if you want me to make a video on how to make that one, you can also let me know. So because we are making the small banana, we don't make it too long. We make it small. If you're making these ones in a big number, you have to write them down so that you don't forget, so that you can make all of them equal. So mine, I want to have 20 lines. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I make the 20th line. And then from here we're going to add inside the filling. Here I have my filling, and with the help of the scissors I put inside the foam. Like that. And then, by the way, when you're putting the foam, make sure you don't overfill it, because if you overfill it, then it will start showing the holes. It doesn't do anything because this is wool, so it won't go like shrink or become bigger. It will remain like that, so no need to put a lot of it. And this is what we get: a banana inside one. After that, we close by crocheting 1, close the second one. You crochet 1, you close the second one. Crochet 1, you close the second one. Crochet 1, close the second one. Then on the tip on how you can have a perfect and nice banana is, whenever you are reducing, after reducing, the second line should always be not reducing. You just sew it, you just crochet the whole line just like that without doing anything, so that it will cover the gaps that have been left while you're reducing the other line. Yeah. So after that, take your scissor and cut. Ta-da! You cut. It's a banana. If you want, you can even bend it a little bit. See? If it doesn't go, you open it up, and that's our banana. So to make the closing part look good and nice, you get the needle, put it inside, then in the ends here you put from hole to hole, and then you just pull it. That's closed. And then after closing like that, you just go backwards and make a knot. Then we hide the loop inside the thread like that. If you want, you can also use this one. Always when you put a crochet inside the banana that is already been how is it called, the banana that is already, anything that's already been stuffed, yeah, you have to put the loop backwards, like using the back of the needle of the crochet. You use the back of it, use the bum of it, and then after that it's going in properly. And ta-da-da, the banana is done. Done. So the last part we were finishing the banana. Now this time we make the banana peel. The banana peel, you get the banana color of the thread, the peel, and then I usually like using the inside part so that my threads don't get dirty. It's very difficult getting that with this small yarn. It's so annoying, guys. Very annoying. Very annoying because I can't find it. But I can use this top one. Anyways, for video purposes. Now because I want to make it with a double loop, I have to make 2 bundles. After I get the 2 bundles, which will be like this, I get my small needle again and I make the stem of the banana. Do 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 loops are enough for single stitches. Then you close it, and then the next line we do 1. That is 4 stitches for the next line. And then the third line also we do 4 stitches. You can see it's becoming a small round thing. And then after that we close. Then you have a small banana looking thing like this. See, I don't know how to do that. I don't know why you guys can't see me properly. You can see me properly. Whatever my pants behind there. So yeah. And then Now the third part we double stitch in the first thing, then we crochet one, and the second one double, the third one we put one, the fourth one we put double, the fifth one we put one, and that's all. We close. Then now the fourth line we do all one, and then the sixth line we're going to do double again. We do one and two, and then we double stitch again, then we do one and two, we do double stitch again, we do one and two, then we close. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And those 12, I think, they're enough for our banana, because we're making a house for our banana. Now we see it is still fat. The banana is fat than this. I need to add. See, we add until when our banana can fit inside the house. Then we stop and we just go straight. Now this line I'm making 3, then I increase. I crochet 3 single crochets, then I increase 3 single crochet, then I increase until when my banana can fit inside. Yeah, and we close. And then from there we're just going single crochets until we reach the middle, that is 10 lines. So guys, after reaching the middle, we need to test and see if the banana can go inside. Now, if the banana can go inside, you do like this to see how far it's going. Now that it's sitting there, we now make the peels. The peels, we have to make them when it's inside, so that we know the height, because you don't want to overdo it. So guys, don't mind my eyes, I'm feeling a bit sleepy. Now this is what we are gonna do. This is one part. Now I do the remaining parts, and then I show you how the last how the outcome will look like. So making bananas is very actually awesome, and the kids love bananas. If you have vegetables in your house that are done craftically, then whenever you play with your kids, you can tell them the good thing about it. Bananas have fiber, and they help you with pooping when your stomach is dry. And they're also good, they give you energy, and they add some appetite when you don't have. You eat the banana and you feel so nice and contented. The English has decided to English on me. So yes guys, we finished the 2 pills. Always we cut, and as you can see, ta-da! With crochet you can just pull a little bit and it goes up, and that's how it is. 1 and 2, and yeah. So the last one we're going to make it full so that it doesn't come off easily. So we leave these two to show the kids that this is how we peel the bananas. Okay, now that I've finished making the banana peel, we close it. Get this one, we hide it in here. Always the closing loop should be long so that it doesn't come out even if the kids play with it for a long time, because it's long, so you hide the longest one in here. That. Then we cut the excessive threads. God, I pray you give me a big house one day, so I can have a room for sleeping and a room for my crafts, and that way I don't put threads everywhere. So guys, ta-da! You've noticed this side is quite bigger because it's the closing side, and then these other sides are small. See? And then can make it round. Ta-da-da! Our banana. If I put it here, so I think seen properly. Then 1, 2, 3. Yay! We are done. Banana. And then just putting inside. Whoop, whoop, 3. Next time. Banana. Mm. So guys, ta-da, 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 banana. It's a banana, we peel banana, we peel banana. Ta-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da.